Welcome to our video on configuring agent tools and actions. We're diving into how you can supercharge your agent's capabilities. Agent actions are the critical capabilities that allow your agents to perform tasks, from simple data retrieval to complex multi-step processes. The first step is adding the necessary plugins and connectors, which serve as the entry points for your agent to interact with external systems and services. Examples of these connections include integrating Power Automate flows for business process automation or setting up REST APIs for direct data exchange. Crucially, you must describe these tools clearly. This simple, detailed description is what allows the agent to intelligently select the correct action to take. A clear description is the key ingredient that enables smart execution, ensuring the agent understands the user's intent and executes the most appropriate tool or action. This is where generative orchestration comes into play, utilizing the agent's intelligence to manage the flow of actions. Generative orchestration auto-calls the right tools at the right time, making the agent's operations seamless and efficient without requiring manual intervention for every step. Imagine a digital toolbox opening, revealing all the capabilities available to your agent, ready to be deployed. Wrench and gear icons, representing mechanics and functionality, snap into the agent's silhouette, symbolizing the integration of powerful, precise capabilities. Now let's see this in action, with a demonstration flow running. When the agent is prompted, the configured actions are automatically executed in sequence, based on the generative orchestration. Success sparks indicate the triumphant completion of the flow, confirming that the tool integration and orchestration worked perfectly. Configuring tools and actions is essential for building highly functional and autonomous agents. Empower your agents with powerful, intelligently orchestrated actions today, and watch your business processes transform.